This Martha Stewart Nonstick fry pan set is a great addition to any kitchen. You get 2 pans in the set. One pan is 10 inches. The other pan is 12 inches. They are both a nice gray color. These pans are made of heavy gauge aluminum. This means they are strong and heat up well. The non-stick coating is premium. Food slides right off. Cooking becomes a breeze. And cleanup is super easy. You won't spend your day scrubbing stuck on food in the sink. The Martha Stewart Nonstick fry pan set makes cooking simpler. The non-stick surface is like a magic mat for your food. Eggs and pancakes will glide effortlessly. You can cook with less oil. This makes your meals healthier. The heavy gauge aluminum helps heat spread evenly. You won't have hot spots that burn your food. These pans are also easy to store. They can nest inside each other. This saves space in your kitchen inventory. Following the simple instructions will ensure these pans last overall. The Martha Stewart Nonstick fry pan set is a reliable choice. It offers good quality and convenience. While some kitchen gadgets involve shenanigans, these pans are straightforward. Even a busy employee will appreciate how quickly they clean. If you're looking for a dependable nonstick set, this is a solid option. It's a practical set that makes cooking less of a chore and more of a joy. Day after day. Pros: 2 pan sizes, heavy gauge aluminum, uniform heat, premium nonstick, easy food release. Simple cleanup, PFOA free, oven safe to 480 degrees F, durable exterior, resists stains, resists scratches, strong handles. Cons: reported chipping, scratches easily, value for money debated, stains very easily, hand wash recommended. Bottom can be thin, uneven heating reported, handles can get hot. Features. Brand: Martha Stewart. Set includes 2 pans, pan sizes 10-inch and 12-inch, material: heavy gauge aluminum, premium nonstick surface, color: gray, durable construction, easy to clean, great for everyday cooking, stylish design. This Martha Stewart set has 2 gray frying pans. One pan is 10 inches, and the other is 12 inches. They are made of thick aluminum. This makes them strong for cooking every day. The pans have a special nonstick surface. This helps food not stick while you cook. It also makes the pans easy to wash after you are done. They look nice too. This Martha Stewart locked-in fry pan set includes 10-inch and 12-inch pans made of thick aluminum. For even heating, they have a non-stick surface so food doesn't stick, and they are easy to clean. The pans are made without PFOA and can go in the oven up to 480 degrees F. The outside is strong and resists marks. However, some people say the handles feel weak and can chip. The pans might scratch or stain easily, and some think they are not worth the money. It's best to wash them by hand. And the bottom of the pans might be thin, leading to uneven heating. The handles can also get hot.